Let's set the record straight. Regarding the COVID-19 vaccine development and distribution, President Biden started on third base, yet Democrats and the media suggested that he hit a triple. We keep hearing disinformation about what President Biden inherited. The first false claim is that President Biden had to start from scratch. On January 21st, CNN reported that anonymous Biden administration sources said, quote, "We are going to have to build everything from scratch." 3 days later, President Biden's chief of staff, Ron Klain, perpetrated this claim, and Vice President Harris repeated it just last month. This is disinformation. Dr. Fauci, you publicly stated that the Biden administration did not start from scratch. The day President Biden entered the White House, more than 1.5 million new doses were administered. Let's not forget the nationally televised 60 Minutes segment with General Perna on the Trump administration's distribution plans. That was in early November, before we even had a COVID-19 vaccine to distribute. The Trump administration first outlined their plan in September. In October, the administration even announced partnerships to administer free vaccines. Another false claim is that the Trump administration did not contract for enough vaccines. On March 2nd, President Biden claimed that, quote, "The prior administration had contracted not for nearly enough vaccine to cover adults in America." Again, this is disinformation. It's false. Last year, the Trump administration entered into contracts with multiple companies to manufacture hundreds of millions of doses of COVID-19 vaccines. To date, between just the 3 companies who have EUAs, we have enough doses to vaccinate 300 million people, far more than our eligible adult population. And that's not to mention the options for purchase of additional doses included in those initial agreements, which the Biden administration appears to have recently used. I'm disappointed that President Biden and Democrats refuse to acknowledge any successes of Operation Warp Speed. Vaccines normally take more than 10 years to develop, yet we have 3 safe and effective vaccines in